I'm Scott Menzel. I actually run the Hollywood Critics Association. We honored Zach this past weekend. I wanted to ask you, and I forgive me if this is personal, but did completing the film help bring you some peace?
I mean, for sure. It's interesting. It also brought up a lot. It brings up a lot of emotions, right? Because so much of the film um, is wrapped up in our loss, of Autumn, and so as you're working on it, sometimes I think you just all of a sudden something hits you and there's a flurry of emotions, and also just I think too just seeing the fans embracing this cause, which is something personal. But I also think not just that it's personal now, but it's also something that I think the world needs right now. I mean, we've gone through quite a year, and so many people have lost their jobs or lost loved ones, or just even feel isolated because they've been alone through most of this. That I think mental health and suicide prevention is needed more now than ever. And we did make a conscious decision to come forward and talk about it, and it was hard and it was a difficult decision to make. But I think we thought that we are sort of in the public eye, and maybe not like a movie star or anything like that, but enough so that we could talk about it and give hope to people maybe when they didn't have hope, or let them know that there's support, because I think it's a hard thing to navigate when you're going through it, and we had a hard time and didn't really know where to turn. So I think that was an important element of this, and it's been with us. As important as it was to finish Zach's vision of the film, that's also been intertwined with the whole journey.
Yeah, I did. It's been a cathartic journey for all of us here at the house. And I think, I couldn't be prouder of what the fans have been able to create through, their campaigns of mental health awareness and suicide prevention, and just that message, constant drumbeat that they, because it's always the next, they're never done. It's always the next fundraiser for AFSP. And, that's the amazing thing about the fans. They don't get tired of marching forward, with the banner. And so I think that because there's always someone to take the lead. And I think that's a great metaphor for, anyone who's suffering from depression or having some kind of thoughts of hurting themselves or anything like that. You can rely on someone to take the banner, and that is, you can reach out. There's help, and it's important to do.
Yeah, I appreciate you answering that, and I'm sorry if it was difficult. I just was wondering about it.